Here is Precious Piper doing her morning exercise in her spa. Look at that. She's doing her neck exercise. See how well she does that? Oh my goodness, yeah, you are. You're doing a good job. There we go. Oh, look at that. Just work it out. Oh boy. Okay, what exercise? Oh, she's still going to work on her neck. Okay. There we go. Oh, really working it out there. Oh boy. Oh, something else. Let's see what she's going to do now. Huh? Oh, she's doing some stretches. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's really getting into it this time. Look at that. I don't get to see that very often. Yeah, what you doing this morning, huh? Oh boy, there goes her neck again. Oh, goodness sake. And she's looking out that window, too. There must be something to see out there. What, did you bite off a piece of that towel? Well, don't be eating the towel. Maybe it was a leaf from off the plant. Because I put the plant in here on top of there while she wasn't there. Yeah, that's what it could be. Okay, what are you going to do now? Yeah, I want to see what you're going to do next. Are you going to do some more neck exercises? Yeah, she's just looking around right now. Maybe this is cooling off. She was really getting the exercise done. Okay, cleaning herself a little bit. She always likes to look her best. Yes, you do. Even when you're exercising. Oh, there we go. The neck exercises again. Oh, you're really into that today, aren't you? Yeah, you really are. Oh, massage that neck.